If you were invited to this page, you were probably having a conversation with a friend or a business partner of yours, and they were explaining with you the success that they've been having with our investment programs here. Before I go into any detail, I want to mention a couple of things. This is not sales. We're not looking for any salespeople. There's no startup costs. We're not looking for any recruiters. We don't have any trainings, any monthly meetings, anything like that. Now, if you like to do that, that's fine. That's just not us. We primarily make all of our money off investment opportunities. Now, I want to make this clear. We don't deal in the stock market. We don't deal with securities. We don't deal with life insurances or anything like that. So again, no sales, no stocks, no life insurances, no securities, none of the above. You don't need to have a license or brokerage license to be part of our group, okay? And primarily our group consists of a ton of people who are making great money. Now, this is not uncommon for someone to be making anywhere between $200 a day to over 20 grand a day with our group. And I'll mention that again, $200 a day to over 20 grand a day with our investment portfolio. Let me talk a little bit about our investment portfolio. We don't believe in putting all your eggs in one basket. I'm sure you don't believe in that either. Many of you probably work, you may have a traditional business, maybe you do dibble and dabble in the market, so on and so forth. Well, we have another way that you can make some serious money without blood, sweat, and tears, without, putting more time on your plate. As we all know, this is something that you can set it and forget it. And so with our portfolio, we have a couple of different spaces. One is the cryptocurrency space. I'm sure you are familiar with cryptocurrency by now, or even their flagship, Bitcoin. But we deal in different parts of the cryptocurrency space. Another lane for us is mortgage notes. It's like real estate on steroids. The thing about mortgage notes, you can learn a lot about them, but you have to have an in order to participate in that arena. And now you have an in with us. And then lastly, we have Amazon stores, and Amazon stores are absolutely incredible. They're set it and forget it. You'll have a store that's working for you. You don't have to lick a stamp, or fold an envelope or mail a product, none of the above. It's incredible. Now, we have an array of different investments in our portfolio, okay? And none of them are high risk. We don't do high risk. We do low risk, high rewards. Again, low risk, high rewards. And that's important because people work hard for their money, and you never want to put yourself in a position where you're just throwing money to the wind. And so we're not about that. Now, a couple other things I want to mention. What I love about our group is that you don't have to take my word for it. You don't have to take the person's word for it who just, gave you this link to look at it. Scroll down this page. Click on our open Facebook page. Now, last time I checked, there's about 36,000 people in the group. Maybe by the time you're looking at it, it's 100,000 people in the group. And on a daily basis or minute basis all around the world, people are posting how much money they're making with us. So you can see that. They're welcoming people to the group. They're just having fun being silly sometimes. It's a phenomenal, phenomenal place to be. Okay, so let me just give you a couple of details about our portfolio. So as I mentioned, we're in the cryptocurrency space with Bitcoin, and we have various opportunities with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with Tron, and we'll soon bring in other parts of the cryptocurrency world where people are investing in opportunities, and those investment platforms that we found that are producing, are giving people miraculous returns on their money. Some of them are compounding profits, you name it. It's absolutely incredible. And the mortgage note space, okay? Once you get in, okay, and that's important, once you get in, you have an opportunity to purchase mortgage notes. You get an opportunity to be the bank. There's nothing wrong with being a landlord, being a contractor, being a person who flips properties, nothing wrong with that. But how would you feel if you were the bank? Meaning people had to pay you their mortgage. It's incredible. And then as I mentioned also, Amazon notes, not Amazon notes, Amazon stores, Amazon stores. You have an opportunity to participate in that as well. Now, what's great about our portfolio, you get in where you fit in. I participate in all of the investment opportunities. There are other people who participate in all of the investment opportunities. You get in where you fit in, what feels comfortable for you, so you can have, a great amount of success. And I forgot to mention, we also have a part of our portfolio that deals in crowdfunding, which is incredible. We know that's not the wave of the future, that's the now. And so we'll always bring different opportunities to our investment platform. And as I mentioned, we're not dealing with stock markets or securities or anything like that. You don't need any licensing. We just found a whole bunch of opportunities that we started to make money with, and we want to share them with you. And so I'm excited that you had some chance to spend some time with us. Get back with the person who told you to watch this video. Scroll down our page, look at the things we have there. After you look at the Facebook group and see for yourself, you'll see different crypto wallets. If you don't have a crypto wallet, there are various ones there that you can choose from. And then scroll further down and you'll see our different phases. We like to call them phases. You'll see our different phases and, get in where you fit in. There's instructional videos, step by step by step, how to set up the phases. And so, if you can watch a video on a kindergarten level, you'll be fine, okay? I say that because I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed, even though I do have a couple of degrees. But nonetheless, it doesn't take all the brains in the world to participate with our opportunities and make some real money for you and your family. So God bless you. Look forward to meeting you as we crisscross the world. And welcome to United Investment Group International.